It's time to test your mic. Professional voice actors use studio-quality microphones with an audio interface. There are prospects, the people who hire voice actors, who look down on USB microphones. But regardless of what mic you have settled on, you'll need to connect your microphone with your system. Select your mic in this area. Go to the drop-down menu to see the mic connections for your personal computer. Select the one that applies to you. Now, when you select the microphone, you'll notice here on the website menu there are several input systems. The Windows default setting is MME, Multimedia Events. If you should have any problems with your recordings, you can always go back and change this input setting. Now, let's test the microphone connection. With your mic connected and selected, hit the red record button to record your voice. You want to see if your mic is producing audio on the track that's open inside of Audacity. Click this button and continue to speak. Then, stop the process. You want your cursor back to the beginning. Do this by clicking this button. Make sure your speakers are on so that you can hear what you recorded. Play back your recording to confirm that everything is working.